Welcome to Look Vintage RC. Alrighty guys, super pumped up for the 2026 Poor Boys RC Speedrun Challenge. With that, we have this bad boy here. It's a 1983 Tamiya Lancia Rally. That's our contender in the stock class. We do have a Tamiya Sport Tuned 380 motor, along with full ball bearings and a 1060 ESC. The battery we're going to be using, 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride. Let's go straight to the parking lot. Alright, so let's show you what we got. Hexfly 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery pack, Dean's Connect, 1060 ESC, 380 Sport Tuned motor from Tamiya. Ball bearings inside. All right, I'm going to set this up. We're at 0 for speed. Let's go ahead and pop the body on. Bit of a job. There we go. So the top one. There we go. Front bumper, gotta have that. All right, there we go. Oh, is it on? Nope, not quite. There we go. I think she's on now. All right, see how she does. She is off. Alrighty, that's it. We got 18.3 miles an hour. There you go, 18.3, not too bad. Let's take the body off. .1060, 380 motor, bearings, battery, I'll show you now. Hexfly 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride. That's going to do it for this one. I can't wait to see what everybody else does. We'll see you on race number 2. All right, guys, take care.